Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo has some of the best trading indicators and AI agent for backtesting used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their premium indicators in the past on this channel. But right now, if you sign up to LuxAlgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 45% off with their Labor Day sale. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out LuxAlgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. We're almost at 8,000 members, so I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. Thank you to everyone who's joined. Now let's get right into today's video. So today, I want to talk about a brand new feature that Robinhood just released that may be useful to some of you, especially for those that trade options. Now, this new feature is actually going to be on Robinhood Legend, which, remember, Robinhood Legend is Robinhood's all-new desktop platform for stocks, options, and crypto trading. So we first need to head on over to Robinhood Legend here. So how do we get there? So when you're on Robinhood.com here, like you normally would be, at the top you should see this yellow button. For me it says active trading. So we're going to go ahead and click on that here. So when you click on this, it takes you over to the Robinhood Legend platform. And so you might see something that looks like this right here. So once you're here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to click on this plus icon here, which will basically allow you to add a new layout here. So you can start from scratch or you can start from template. So if you go to template, this is very easy here. If you go to template, you can go here, and then there's many different options here, but you just want to click on advanced options. That's one way to get to this feature here. Now I already have this template here, so I'm just going to head on over there. And so this is what this template will look like here. So again, this is the advanced options template. And right now we're currently on SPY, as you can see here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to switch over to ticker symbol DOCU. So this is DocuSign. So let's go over to DocuSign here. So now we're looking at this stock here. And so we have a chart here on the left, and then on the right here we have all the available options here for DocuSign. So we have calls on the left, puts on the right, and then here we have all the different expiration dates. So 6 days from expiration, 13 days from expiration. Here you can see the date that it expires, right? September 5th, September 12th. You can expand this and you can actually see the calls and the puts in here. Now, and again, this is just something that I'm making up here, but let's say you're interested in selling options on this stock next week. So for our expiration date, September 5th, let's say you were interested in selling options here, selling, let's say, cash secured puts. One thing you may not know is that this stock has earnings next week. That means it could be very volatile next week. And so if you're selling cash secured puts, it could be very risky next week for that reason, that again, it has earnings. And so one thing this new feature could help with is letting you know that it's going to be more volatile next week than what it normally would be. So what is this feature? So let's go ahead and show it here. So here in this same section on the top right, we can click on these three little dots here, and you're going to see this option here in the middle, display IV and expected move. So we want to make sure that this is checked. So now that that has been checked, notice if we go back to the options here, next to our expiration date, we see two different numbers now. One is a percentage and one says plus or minus a number. So notice if we hover over the percentage here, what does this say? This says implied volatility per expiration. If we hover over the number here, the plus or minus here, this says expected move. So with this new feature here, this shows us the implied volatility per expiration, and it's showing us the expected move as well. So we can see the expected move right on the chain here for each expiration, so that we can see what the options market is pricing in by each expiration. And so if you look at the implied volatility for next week, you'll notice it's relatively higher than some of these other expirations here, 105%. Right? That seems relatively high compared to, if we look at the next week, 82%, 71%. You can see, right? Like down here, it's pretty low, 40, 50. Next week, it's 105%. Why? Again, because this stock has earnings that next week. And so by having this feature on here, you'd be able to see something's going on next week, right? And that could potentially be a way this could help you. And again, we also have the expected move here. Now, I'm not 100% sure how Robinhood is calculating this expected move, but again, that could potentially also be useful when you're trading and making your decisions here. If we look at, a different stock, for example, Apple, you'll see since Apple already had earnings, there's not really much of a catalyst coming up for Apple that I'm aware of. You'll see, right? IV pretty steady here week after week, 25, 26, 26, 25. So we know here, right? Like there's probably not much going on here. But let's go to a different example. Let's go to ORCL, so Oracle. So if you go to Oracle, for example, we can see here next week, implied volatility for that expiration, 36%, okay? But then notice that the week after it jumps to 69%. Why this massive jump? Again, that's because Oracle is expected to announce earnings that week of September 12th. So again, this can help us potentially know that something is going on that week that is causing implied volatility to go up a lot and potentially have a bigger move that week, be more volatile that week. And again, that could help us with our trading decisions here. And again, we also have our expected move here. So this is that new feature that Robinhood just released here. And if we take a look here, it was actually released on August 22nd, or at least this is when they posted about it. As you can see, options trading on Robinhood Legend just got better. See the expected move right on the chain. So you can see what the options market is pricing in by each expiration. And of course, options are risky and not appropriate for all investors. So this is that new feature I wanted to talk about here. Let me know what you guys think about this feature. Is it useful and how are you going to use it? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Now we'll see you guys next time.